We all want a luxury bathroom, so I'm going to go through the tips of what I use to turn this bathroom into a luxury experience. But I feel a little bit ridiculous, so I'm getting out of here. Hello. Less effort tends to go to the bathroom, whether it's because you think it's tiny or you just don't know what to do with it. But today, no excuses. We are going to go through the crucial tips to create the most luxurious bathroom experience, working our way through the senses. Starting off with touch. Textures such as towels, your bath mat, all of these are a key part in the luxurious bathroom experience. Imagine getting out of the shower and you have this gigantic towel that you wrap around you. It's soft, it's fluffy, it's cozy, and then you step out with your little feet onto the bath mat and it's so soft and absorbent. You are clean and cozy. Wow, luxury. Those manky old faded towels that you have, recycle them. You will feel the difference. And towels don't have to be expensive. I got mine from Zara Home in the sale. They are soft, they are fluffy, and they're gorgeous. You can get a range of designs. I also got some flannels. Oh, side note, flannels. If you have flannels in your home, they make life so convenient, and this convenience is so luxurious. If you're a man, you're shaving. If you're a woman, you're taking off your makeup. It's the ease to grab one of these and have a soft, fluffy towel at your fingertips. You won't look back. I didn't look back, you won't look back. And you can just throw them in with your normal towel washing. Easy, easy. Next up, we have sight. Now we're gonna do sight into two sections. Lighting and visuals, which is like the fun accessory stuff. But let's start off with lighting. Obviously, you want your lighting in the day to be light, airy, and bright, because you wanna see what you're doing. But let's not forget nighttime. There is something so mysterious about moody lighting in a bathroom. There's those cases where it's obvious. You're having a bath and you want some candlelight. After a long, hard day, you don't want the harsh, bright lighting attacking you after your long, hard day at work. Or you're in the middle of the night and you need to use the bathroom. But obviously you don't want to blind yourself with the big light, so maybe use your phone torch, which is not luxury. That blue light is not good for you. Now I'm not talking about these cases, I'm talking about the general evening use. Even in the evening, having that moody lighting that only you know about, rather than the big harsh light, adds a sense of mystery. You wouldn't have the big light on in your living room, so why would you have it on in your bathroom in the evening? If you have low lighting built in your bathroom where you have multiple switches, use it when you normally wouldn't. Go on, I dare you. If you don't, there's other options. You can have a portable lamp. I think Pookie Lighting do some of these. They've advertised to me a lot on Instagram, so I've been looking at those. Maybe they're worth checking out. Next up in sight, we have visuals. Now this is the fun part. I don't have my lip balm. My lips are getting winter dryness. And since we're on the fashion portion, look at this dress. Ah, Skims. I need to get all the other colours. They do a forest green one. It's so pretty. So comfortable too. I feel like I could wear this on holiday in the day and the evening. Perfect. So we're going to talk next in visuals about bathroom accessories. I love this point coming up, but you might not. It's a slight minimalistic tendency of having less stuff in your bathroom. But hear me out, because more stuff, more clutter, more faff means more confusion and less luxury. Keep the stuff you use on the daily and store the rest somewhere else if you need to keep it. I say this because you don't want to be wading through stuff, through those medicines, old toothbrushes, under the rubbish to get to your favourite moisturiser. No. Clear the clutter. You just want to open your drawer, you have your moisturiser, you have the other thing you use, all the stuff you use on the daily, in your daily routine. Pick it up, take it, use it, go. I use my hair oils every day, so I keep them out and I put them on a little tray. Bottles can be pretty, but they can also look a little bit cluttered, so popping these bottles together on a tray groups them into one item, essentially. Look at this before And after. The after looks a bit cuter, doesn't it? Next up, I want to talk in this portion about texture. Now, we spoke about texture early on, but I'm talking more texture in the materials of your bathroom, in the way that maybe your bathroom has lots of cold, hard tiles. Think about softening it up with some wood, perhaps. Or if your bathroom's vice versa and you've got a lot of wood in your bathroom, maybe think of edging it up a little, adding some glass, adding some stone in there. Try and mix warmer and harder, colder materials together, just to add a little bit of interest. And another thing is colour. Right, so if everything is one colour, one shade, one tone, try varying it up a little bit. Whatever colour your bathroom is, try having a darker and a lighter version of that colour to add a little bit of shade variation. If you have no colour whatsoever, try experimenting by adding a little accent of a colour, maybe on the trim of your bath towel, on your soap dispenser, maybe in the form of a plant. It just adds a little bit of interest. Another way you can do this, and I love this tip, is adding it through your artwork. Artwork in a bathroom? I love artwork in a bathroom. It gives your guests something to look at. It can also add some unique personality that no one would think of having in a bathroom. Something funny or whimsical, maybe a picture of your pet wrapped around in toilet paper because they stole it when they were a puppy. Something like that is the perfect, a bathroom is the perfect place to put it. Now we get onto one of my favourites, which is smell. Smell really has this crazy power to pull your brain through different time frames. You smell a smell that reminds you of a certain person or a certain location, and your mind immediately goes back to that. That's why I love smell, and it's also a really cost-effective way of your senses interacting with the space. Not to mention, we all need a nice smelling bathroom. No one wants a manky smelling bathroom. Obvious examples are a room diffuser or a candle. I like room diffusers because you don't have to be there when they're smelling the room up. I pay a little bit of attention to my hand soap. Try finding a hand soap that you love the smell of. Maybe you like fresh minty smells, or you like warm almond vanilla scents. You get the chance to smell this every time you use your bathroom hand soap. And so easy to do at home. I got my hand soap in bulk from Amazon and then decanted it into a little dispenser. Now, let's get on to taste. Strawberries and champagne only. This is water. Now we have sound. I personally like the sound of silence in my bathroom, but if you're the sort of person to have music running through your house constantly, why not continue it in the bathroom? It's just one of those little chic attention to details that you can have in your home. On to the sixth sense now, the intuitive feel of you in the space. Sticking to things you love will never feel old and will add that charm to your home. How do you want to decorate your bathroom? Sticking to something that feels like you will just never ever feel old, and you are always guaranteed to love it. Maybe you'd love a dark, dramatic, immersive space. A bathroom is the perfect place to do that. What I like about going a bit extra with your bathroom is that no one chooses to use the bathroom more than they have to. But getting to be excited to have to use the bathroom is something that just levels up day-to-day life. Now for me, I love these very bold towels. Like, I don't think I'd have this print anywhere else in my bathroom. In my house. So for me, I just thought I'd add things that I love using every day into my bathroom. I use a little plant pot to hold my toothbrush because I love the plant pot and I have nowhere else to use it. It's a bit of fun, it's a bit of detail. I'm gonna add in some Pinterest photos so that you can, where's a hair? I'm gonna add here some Pinterest photos for some inspiration on what you might like to do. Let me know, how do you wanna feel in your bathroom? Do you wanna feel clean, fresh, with minty smells? Or do you wanna feel cozy and darker with warmer scents? Let me know, I'd love to hear. To continue absorbing the luxury of knowledge, you can feel free to watch any of my other videos. See you soon, bye.